Hi, today we will see what is cos function in Tableau and how to use this function. So cos function is a numeric function. So if we if we create one calculation field and if we click on this drop down and select number, so in number function we can find the cos function. So this is the function and this function takes one input as an angle. So this function returns the cosine value of a specific angle that we have used as an input, and the answer of the output of the particular value is in the radian. So if I use cos and select the function, and here I use the value as a this will give me the output, the value of cos 60, the cosine value of 60. So after that, if I click on apply, okay, and so again, so let's click on this drop down and rename the field that we have created. Let's name it cos field and drop it onto the row and click on the drop down, select discrete. So we want the number instead of the visualization. So after that, click on the drop down again, go to measures and select average. So this is the value of cos of 60, which is minus 0.9. So the value of the cos 60 is the minus 0.952412980. So basically, if we have learned the cosine and the trigonometric function in our school, so basically the cos 60 value is around maybe I guess 0.5, but this value is in the radian form, not in the degree. So in to want that actual value in degree, so we have to convert this radian into degree. So this is basically the radian form, which is the cos 60 in radian is equals to minus 0.95 and so on. So this is how we can use this cos function to find out the value of angle in the form of radian, not in the degree, in the form of radian. So this is how we can use this function, and thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.